Good morning, afternoon, or night, whenever you're watching this. My name is Grace, and today I'm going to present to you a case about price gouging. In this presentation, we're going to start with a case overview, and then we're going to apply 3 different ethical theories to the case, which are utilitarian view, Hahn's view, and Ayn Rand's view. In this case, an individual named Baruch Feldheim hoarded protective equipment, such as masks and gloves. He charged a doctor $12,000 for an order, which represent a 700% price markup. Authorities seized the equipment and redistributed them to the health departments of New York and New Jersey, which will eventually distribute them to people who are in need of the equipment, such as the essential workers. Feldheim does not need the equipment himself in this case. He's hoarded them just to try to sell them and make a profit. For people who are in need of the equipment, Feldheim's action blocked their opportunity to get the equipment at a lower price than what Feldheim was selling. The utilitarianism was one of the most commonly accepted ethical theories, in the Anglo-Saxon world. It was linked to British philosophers Jeremy Bentham and John Mill. According to the textbook, this theory focuses solely on the consequences of an action, weighs good outcomes against bad outcomes, and encourages the action that results in the greatest amount of good for everyone involved. According to utilitarianism, Feldheim's action is unethical. His action of hoarding only benefited himself. He did not benefit the doctor who paid him $12,000 because without his hoarding, a doctor might be able to get the equipment at a much lower price. He did not benefit people who are in need of the equipment because he made it more difficult and more expensive for people to get them. The utilitarian view would agree with the authorities of redistributing the protective equipment to benefit more people in the society. Han is a Vietnamese philosopher who wrote the 5 mindfulness training. According to Han's second mindfulness training, we should protect the well-being of people, animals, plants, and minerals, and share our time and resources generously with those who are in need. And according to Han, Feldheim's action is unethical because he failed to protect people's well-being. His action could potentially put people's lives at risk. And he definitely did not share his resources generously with those who are in need. He was trying to sell the equipment for a profit. He did not try to donate them in any way. In other words, he put money above people in this case. Ayn Rand promoted free capitalism, and she believed it is the only way to protect individual rights. According to Rand, Feldheim's action is ethical, since the doctor agreed to pay $12,000 for the equipment and Feldheim agreed to sell it. It is a deal. And according to Rand, there is no right to fair price if no one chooses to pay it. As we can see in this presentation, we applied 3 different ethical perspectives to the same case and resulted in different answers. So in our lives, we have encountered and we will encounter many ethical theories. And through these ethical theories, we will form our own ethical standards, or we have formed our ethical standards. And ethical standards would be different for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. That concludes my presentation. Again, my name is Grace. Feel free to comment any questions. And please stay safe and healthy. Thank you.